Are you tired of making school lunches every single day and running out of ideas? Trust me, as a mom, I completely understand the struggle. That's why today I am sharing a simple and easy lunch idea your kids might actually enjoy eating. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lydia's Cooking Hacks. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I share family meals, lunch ideas, cooking hacks, and realistic recipes for busy moms and families. As a mom with children in school, making lunches 5 days a week can honestly become stressful and exhausting. Over time, I have learned to become more creative, manage my time better, and find meals that are quick, simple, and still enjoyable for my children. In today's video, I made this easy mac and cheese lunch pack. Although mac and cheese is not a typical Nigerian meal, I had to learn it because I live in a country where many children love it and eat it often. The good thing is that it's quick, affordable, and very easy to prepare on busy mornings. To make the lunch more balanced, I added fresh carrots, celery, green apples. Instead of always giving store-bought juice, I prefer adding fruits whenever possible because children still enjoy something naturally sweet and refreshing. I also added Nigerian bread buns as snacks, and honestly, they pair so well with this lunch pack. They are soft, filling, and perfect for school lunches. I hope this video gives you lunch inspiration and makes school lunch packing a little easier for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please support my growing channel by liking this video, subscribing, and turning on your notification bell so you don't miss more easy family meal ideas. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.